Okay, it's lunchtime, my favorite meal of the day. I load up on calories, lots of fruit, and this is the way I eat to avoid ever having to take prescription drugs or to have surgeries. Now, I'm not saying, who knows, if I get in an accident or a sports-related injury, I may need surgery. But I don't think I'll ever need it other than that because of the way I'm eating. Let me just show you what I've got here for lunch. In here, I've got 6 bananas. Some are chopped. I've got a whole tub of figs from Trader Joe's, Black Mission figs. So this is somewhere, and what I do is I make like a carob pudding. That's what that is on top of the bananas, the chopped bananas. I mix some banana with the figs and a little bit of carob, which is like a chocolate substitute. It's delicious. And I throw in a couple of dried mulberries as garnish and some mint leaves. So you're talking, somewhere around 1,200 calories here. And, it'd be more calories than a double Whopper cheeseburger from Burger King. Would probably be somewhere around the same. But these are healthy calories. This has water. It's got fiber. It's constantly nourishing you, vitamins and minerals. But it's also cleaning you at the same time. Whereas you eat that burger with bread, you've just clogged up your entire system and put a lot of stress on your digestion. One of my favorite whole food plant-based doctors is T. Colin Campbell. I really appreciate his work. He is a hard worker and he brings forth the truth. And here's one of his quotes. I'd like to read it to you. It says, "The foods you consume can heal you faster and more profoundly than the most expensive prescription drugs and more dramatically than the most extreme surgical interventions, with only positive side effects." Dr. Campbell, you are my man. You are my man. You speak the truth. And I really appreciate that because we don't get a lot of it. We hear all kinds of conflicting things, and a lot of it is, paid for studies and different things. And now we have a lot of, I can't believe it, that doctors are going carnivore. Now, I'm not totally against eating animal-based products, but if you eat too much of that, you are headed for problems. I choose not to have any at all because I know that plants allow for greater oxygen uptake, greater sugar uptake that fuels every cell in our bodies. So that's why, I could eat meat, but I'd be settling for the best food, which, if you go back to the beginning, is fruits and vegetables. So I've decided I'm just going to eat the fruits and vegetables. And some people say, yeah, but you need that meat. No, you don't. You don't. Because there's plenty of protein in this, and it's all fruits. So, Dr. Campbell, thank you for your hard work and for speaking the truth. I appreciate it very much. So, this is what a 73-year-old vegan eats for lunch to avoid ever having to take prescription meds or to get elective surgery or, there's so many things they're operating on today. When we're young, they tell us dare to stay off drugs. But then when we get old, they tell us to take drugs. It just makes no logical sense. This can heal you a lot better than a pill, even supplements. You cannot extract one thing out of this kind of food and expect it to do the same with all their synergistic properties. So, all the best, guys. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Eat whole food, plant-based, raw as much as possible, and just watch your body respond. Many people don't give it enough time. What's 1 month out of your life? Or 2 weeks even? You'll feel the difference after 2 weeks. Give it a shot. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Your body will thank you. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. This channel is all about health tips and directing people to the truth as far as the best diet we can eat. All the best. Take care.